dope, man. These people think they slick. They rule our people with fear.
But we ended up letting them be slick, honestly, gang.
Yeah.
Just by what you saying, because so many people they done told me like some of the weirdest stuff when it comes to this. It's like, bro, do you actually even know what I'm doing? So if we watch this video, I speak so many different languages in this video, and people are afraid. So yeah, let me do this audio thing real quick, and let's see if you guys can figure out which one's the clone and which one is your boy. Okay, the audio.
Peace, family. Your global stage awaits. Don't just dream of getting your brand in front of millions. Let's make it inevitable. At Spin City HQ, we fuse cutting-edge AI strategy, top-tier content creation, and seamless sales automation to cut through the static and deliver your message where it matters, and in any language your audience speaks. For 4 transformative weeks, we'll reshape your online presence, elevate your voice, and break down every barrier between you and your global market. Ready to rise above the noise? Join our masterclass and let's build a brand that resonates worldwide. Paz, familia, tu audiencia global ya te está esperando. En Spin City HQ no nos limitamos a colocar tu marca frente a millones. Forjamos conexiones genuinas que trascienden fronteras y usos horarios, con estrategias de IA de vanguardia, contenido magnético y una automatización perfecta desde el lead hasta la venta. No solo subimos el volumen, afinamos tu presencia para que sobresalga en medio del bullicio del mercado internacional. Barreras lingüísticas, olvídalas. Traduciremos cada palabra y matiz para que tu mensaje resuene en cualquier rincón del mundo. En tan solo 4 semanas transformadoras, nuestro masterclass elevará tu identidad digital, refinará tu voz y te posicionará como una marca que realmente hace eco en todos los continentes. ¿Listo para elevarte sobre el ruido y reclamar tu lugar en el escenario mundial? Construyamos algo extraordinario, juntos. 和平，家人们，全球舞台早已为你敞开大门。在 Spin City HQ， 我们不只将你的品牌呈现在数百万受众眼前，我们更致力于为你构建跨越国界与时区的真实连接。凭借尖端的人工智能策略、引人入胜的内容创作，以及从潜在客户到销售的无缝自动化流程，我们不仅是将声音放大，更是精准调优你的品牌形象，让你在国际市场的嘈杂声中脱颖而出。语言障碍不再是问题，我们将精准传递你的信息，翻译每一个字句，捕捉每一分细微差别，让你的声音回荡在世界的每一个角落。仅需4周，我们的大师班就能彻底升级你的线上形象，提炼你的品牌诉求，并将你塑造为真正跨越地域、回声不断的全球品牌。准备好超越噪音。
Yo, I'ma send that shit. Yo, fam, so you mean to tell me before I go and get my nails done, I can send a video ahead of time and I'm just telling them Koreans what no more talking about me. Yo, I could be a passport bro and just leave Atlanta.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I be creating that shit and I be crying. That motherfucker represented the 4-week masterclass in Spanish, Chinese.
That's what I'm saying. Where's the dollar stronger than the dollar at? I need to know that first and foremost. Whatever currency is stronger than the dollar, I need that language, and I'm finna sell them underwear or something. I don't care what it is, but something.
So I can send that Spin City to become famous in China because he only speaks Chinese. Right, with my manager. So when we go to week 4 and we go global, I'll tell y'all stuff right there. Meet up with somebody or try to link with one of these people, one of these AI managers that speak the language fluently.
Look,
sell what you need to sell.
Wisdom.
Yeah.
There's a migrant influx in America
Yep.
of people who came from foreign countries that got bread, right?
Yep.
El Salvador's currency is Bitcoin. Okay. So I would find a migrant and I would, if they over here doing what they trying to look for resources, I want to get resources where they came from. What's the top products where you came from? What are people buying? What are they into? What can I say in my pitch that they would be like, yo, he must be from here because he knows something. That's your source of information is the migrants. And whether they're Asians, South Americans, Central Americans, I would say find out from them what's popping and then train your Hey Gen to speak to their people. And then, yo, I would tell that person, yo, can I upload this to your page? Here, I'll give you a honey bun. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'll give you a haircut, my nigga. Whatever. They out here, they need some resources. They need us and we need them.
Let's get
Cultural exchange type shit.
Let's get it.
That's genius right there.
Yeah,
so even with the Facebook marketing, the geo-targeting, geolocating, when you're going to take us on the back office next week, I could now create a clone that I could target people from the Philippines, and I'm speaking to them in their native tongue.
In their native language.
Man, let's stop playing. Let's stop playing.
That's what we're learning here, family.
Let's stop playing.
That's what we're doing here. That's what we're doing here.
That's
crazy.
This
is deep, Bert, bro. That's what we're doing here because our culture can't get left behind no more. You heard what Red just said, and you see what we're doing here. We're having you, okay? So you make your website in English. That's your United States website, because the same way I just spoke these languages. You go back and double that website. If Shopify charge you $40, it doesn't matter. Get a $40 English website. Use translation to get a $40 Spanish website. Use translation to turn that into get another. And again, it should be $1. It should be $1 a month for like 90 days, unless you make $1,000 quickly. Then they're gonna be like, come on, gang, let me get 40.
Yeah, let me hold some.
You got your Spanish website with your Spanish avatar. You got your Chinese website with your Chinese avatar. So everything that we just did today, all you're doing is translating it. You got your site. You know how to do your content. We looked at Hey Gen today. We're gonna get further in week 3 when it's AI automation. So when Red brought up ManyChat, now you have a Spanish ManyChat with your Spanish website with your Spanish avatar. You guys are going global in 4 weeks. Go have fun. Go across the planet. AI is now got little black little nigglets like myself from the ghetto selling things globally. I hope you understand. I hope you under, I don't care where you stand. Get it that you can do it too. The ball is in your court now. You do it now. You understand? That's what it's about.